Everybody is coughing in our house, so I'm going to prepare some herbal remedies for them. First, let's start with a cough syrup. I'm boiling a tablespoon of thyme and licorice, and while that's simmering, I'm going to make some soothing throat balls. You just mix powdered herbs together with honey and water, roll the dough into small balls, and put them in the oven. While that's dehydrating, I'm going to drain the infusion, melt some honey into it, and the syrup is done. The pills are all dry, so I'm putting them in a labeled jar. Now lastly, I'm going to make some cough begone tea by infusing cold foot, mullein, and a little bit of thyme in hot water. Strain it and it's ready.